Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Greyhead Syndicate channel. As promised, we are here with our first tutorial video on After Effects. In this video, I am going to show you how to make simple sweep effect. Anyone with no knowledge or very less knowledge can make this simple intro effect.
Please subscribe us and share with your friends and help this channel grow.
So this is what we are going to create. So let's begin. Go to composition and select new composition. I am going to make 1920 by 1080 and 30 frames per second. Duration time say 10 seconds and hit OK. Now by right clicking, create new solid from new. Set any color to it. Now go to After Effects plugin and search for gradient ramp effect and drag it on our new solid. Change type to radial and swap colors. Now drag the above anchor point and put it in the middle. Now drag lower anchor point and take it far away so that we get light effect in our screen. I am renaming this new object to background. Now insert text, or you can also insert any logo instead of text. Align the text to the center using tools. If you don't have this window, then go to Windows and check Align. Change the text color to your requirement. I am going to use blue, maybe somewhat like cyan. Again create a new solid and set its color similar to the text by using eyedropper tool. This looks simple because of single color. Let's drop a gradient ramp on this tool also. And select the colors you want to set. I am going to use cyan and blue for another one. This gives a nice look than a single color. Now hit S on keyboard, open scale and scale up the new object to 200%. Now hit R and put rotate value to 45. So this will give you nice sweep effect from one corner to another. Drag the solid above the screen. Now hit P to open position for sweep layer. Now go to around 1 second on the timeline and click on small stopwatch icon and add keyframe. Go to about 3 seconds and drag the object down on the screen and again hit the stopwatch to add keyframe. Select both of these keyframes and go to keyframes assistance by right clicking and select easy ease. This will smooth up the animation. Now to select motion blur, select motion blur button on the layer and also on the main bar. This will add blur effect to the motion. Now select our text layer and sweep layer and go to edit and select duplicate. Or just hit Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Drag both of the layer to the top. Now on the text layer select TRK MAT to alpha and change the font color to white. So now as you can see, when our swipe layer comes in, the font color changes to white. Now bring the texture image and set it mode to subtract on keyboard and bring opacity down to around 20%. Now go to zero frame and select the text layer. Hit S and scale it up until it goes out of the screen and hit the stopwatch. As it is still in the screen, I am going to push it a little upwards. And again hit the stopwatch for position. Go to around half second on the timeline and bring back the scale to 100%. And the layer to center by using align tool. This will give us a nice animation of the text. Now go to new and create a null object to create a camera effect. I am going to rename it camera effect. Now go to zero frame timeline and click on the scale stopwatch and go to about 5 seconds and bring scale to around 85. Now parent all other layer to camera effect by opening the drop down menu. This will give us a nice camera moving effect. So here is our final animation. Hit like button, and if this video crosses the 100 likes, I will share this project file here. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe this channel to get more cool tutorials and tricks. Have a good day.